Hey everyone, it's Jason and welcome back to another 3ds Max tutorial. So for this tutorial here, we'll just be going on and showing you how to install 3ds Max plugins. So depending on what you need for your own project, you might need to install a separate plugin for it to actually work for maybe a YouTube tutorial or just for another class assessment that you've just gone and watched. Um, so for this, you will need to go and download your plugin. I've just showed you a quick website called ScriptSpot, which you could download 3ds plugins from the local community, all online. Everyone's supportive, and this is a great website where you can actually find and use those useful tools. So once you have downloaded the one you actually need, you want to keep that in a separate folder and extract that ready to go. So a way to find your location to find your plugins file is what you want to do is you want to go onto your computer search here and type in 3ds Max. So I've already got it there, but in this case I want to show you where to actually find it. You want to right click on your 3ds Max here and then go open location file. This will then open up your Windows toolbar, which has the Autodesk files installed. So this is all your 3ds Max files that you have. So right here I want to go onto the English one, which is the one I use, and I want to right click it and click open file location right here. Once I've clicked on that, you will then look for your plugins folder. So that would be for me right about here, and this is all my plugins installed there. So what you want to do is you want to extract that file you've just downloaded, and you want to drop that straight into here. Once you have done that, you want to go back into 3ds Max, and if you already have that open and in use, you want to actually close that and just restart the program. You don't need to restart your computer or anything, you just need to restart the program, and that should be ready to go. Depending on what you've downloaded, you could have downloaded MapRoom, which you can actually install in your customized user interface, or that might just be ready to go in your modifier list. So depending on what you've actually used, that should be ready to go. That was just a quick tutorial on how to install plugins on 3ds Max, but I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.